Hello everyone, thanks for joining me today for our snapshot, and we're going to be looking at copper and its reversion and how to trade it. But before I do that, please take note and pay attention to the following important information. Please know that CFDs are high risk products and you should be completely aware of the risks that they pose. Also, please realize that this is general commentary only and does not constitute investment advice. And lastly, let's take a look at our market sources. Okay, thank you very much for that. Let's get on with it. So here are some of the fundamentals that are driving the copper price. Copper has rallied since hitting its low in March of this year, and the base metal is supported by inventory concerns, a weaker US dollar, improved demand, especially from China. There are concerns of supply disruptions due to COVID-19, and the long term certainly sees a potential for strong demand there due to electric vehicle growth. And these are initiatives that are being driven by the Chinese and the EU governments. Let's take a look at the technicals. And what you can see here is the daily copper price. And we've got the 20-day simple moving average on this chart as well. And you can see that it has reverted to the 20-day simple moving average. Okay, so if I zoom out, you've got this impulse move up over here. You've got this reversion there. And now the question is, are we going to get a movement up? And what you want to take a look at there is specifically the slope of the 20-day simple moving average, and it's moving up in a northeasterly direction. Take a look at the candle over here. This has got the lowest low in at least a 3-candle cluster, and you can see that today's candlestick is showing some good bullish follow through. So if we get the bulls pushing through and closing above the anchor candle, okay, then we have a reference candle low in, and these have to be present at turning points. They don't always lead to turning points, but if there's going to be a turning point, we have got a very good basis that looks to be charting. Last but not least, take a look at the RSI. The RSI has broken above a downtrend line, and that is indicative of an expansion in the positive momentum. Let's just take a look at some key takeaways here. So demand is likely to be supportive for the copper price, especially the demand coming out of China. This is going to be assisted by the US dollar weakness. Prices reverted to its 20-day simple moving average, and of course momentum looks to be increasing, and we can see the RSI is starting to push up there. I hope that you found this snapshot useful. If you have, please consider subscribing. Click on the subscribe button below. Thank you very much for joining me, and I look forward to speaking with you again in the near future.